i-announce ko po ang aking i-appoint na magiging OIC USEC for Convergence and Technical Services. No, i-announce ko po. At siya po, nakakatuwa, nalaman ko lang this morning, ay kasama sa first batch ng Cadet Engineering Program. Siya po ay batang-bata, 36 years old pa lang. 36 years old pa lang siya. Noong 2013, siya po ay pumasok sa DPWH under the Cadet Engineering Program. I've met her a few times, pero everybody whom I talked to, kasama na rin si Sec Babe Singson, na kinausap ko nung weekend, has a lot of great words to say about this very, very young, dynamic, and professional lady. She is currently the head of our Bureau of Design. No, so may I just introduce to you the OIC of the Undersecretary for Convergence and Technical Services. Alam ko, marami siyang ginaktawan, pasintabi na lang po sa mga ginaktawan niya, pero not only do I believe, based on the recommendations of people I trust in the department, and even Secretary Babe Singson himself, no? Dahil nga nagsimula to under him, no? Under the Cadet Engineering Program. But I also want to tell everyone, kung ikaw ay masipag, kung ikaw ay magaling, kung ikaw ay hardworking, at most importantly, kung ikaw ay honest, aangat ka sa departamentong ito. So may I just introduce you our OIC Undersecretary for Convergence and Technical Services, OIC Lara Esquivel. Lara, please join me. Congratulations, tulungan mo ako.
Thank you, sir.
At sasamahan niya ako mamaya kung may oras tayo at kailangan namin pumunta ng Bukidnon dahil kailangan niyang i-assess yung gagawin natin, yung sira sa Bukidnon. Sorry, pinatrabaho na kita agad. Pasensya na. She has my full trust and confidence. And again, uulitin ko, kung ikaw ay honest, kung ikaw ay hardworking, kung ikaw ay talagang walang gusto lang gawin kundi magserbisyo sa mga kababayan natin at bigyan ng quality projects ang ating mga kababayan. Perfect kasi siya ang right now head ng Bureau of Design. Marami tayong gagawin, Lara. We're going to do a lot of things together. But thank you very much for accepting the position and congratulations. Palakpakan po natin si OIC Undersecretary Lara.